how to add not create widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to next page. Now here, so just click and hold on screen. Now here, click on widget. So after click on widget, scroll down and click on notes. So you will see notes is here, so click on notes. Now here, scroll down, you will see create notes is here, so you will select size small, medium, large. So after select size, click on add, you will see create note is add on home screen. So after the process, click on screen, you will see so after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add not create widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.